Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's lesson, we will learn how to subtract fraction with similar and dissimilar denominators. If you want to learn math in an easy way, keep watching. Alright guys, so sa ngayon, ang pag-aralan natin ay kung paano tayo mag-subtract ng fractions with similar and dissimilar denominators. So we have a given number in example number 1, 5/8 minus 2/8. So una, tingnan muna natin kung ang fraction natin ay similar. So makikita natin na pareho ang ating denominator. So this is a similar fraction. So automatically, i-add natin ang numerator at i-copy natin ang common denominator. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. And then, copy the common denominator na 8. So, automatically, makapagbigay tayo ng sagot. So, 3 over 8. So, next example, 3/4 minus 1/2. So, ang ating denominator ay magkaiba. No? So, they are not similar. So, ang una natin gagawin ay hanapin natin ang less common denominator. So, kunin natin ang less common denominator. Una tayo sa 2. Ang multiple of 2 is 2, 4. Ito ay 4. So, automatically, mayroon tayong LCD na 4. So, 4 dito. Ito ay 4 din. Dito. Okay, so 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. And then 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Then 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Then subtract natin. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then copy the common denominator, 4. So ganun ang kadali guys kung paano tayo subtract ng dissimilar fraction. Okay, mayroon tayong halimbawa sa number 3. 7 over 9 and then 2 over 9. So kayo ang mag-subtract kung paano gagawin ito. So ito ay similar fractions. And that's how we subtract fractions. If you learned something today, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And follow my page for more easy math tutorials. Thank you.